Didn't notice the flash was on. Okay. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make cough syrup on the rocks for when you feel extra horrible like I do. It's not COVID, it's fucking worse. It's like super COPD fucking mega flu or some shit, I don't know. But anyways, get a whiskey glass. Mine is designed specifically for liquid ibuprofen, stitch wound, arthritis, toe stub, and bruise, which are all, decent levels of pain showing. So you get that, and you get 2 cough drops. It does not have to be a specific brand. I'm using Luden's. They're a pretty good brand, by the way. I'm not sponsored by them, but I do give them that. For a sugar-free fucking thing, they taste more like candy than fucking cough drops, which is good. Unlike Halls or some shit, which, they're great. They're effective. Halls are very effective, but they taste like death, most of them. The honey ones are pretty good, though. The mint ones are alright. They last longer. But the Luden's, you can get 3 bags of for like $2. They don't last long, but they taste fantastic. So then you get any kind of fucking nighttime cough syrup, because that's what I'm calling it, on the rocks. Fuck. One sec. I'm using the Dollar General brand because it's close. And believe it or not, you don't need an ID to buy medicine from Dollar General anymore, which is pretty good. So pour that to where I put toe stub, even though I probably should put it on stitch wound, which is the highest fucking thing. But I only got so much of this shit, and I don't want to waste it all. Not to mention, it tastes like death. Okay. Then you, I'm not sure if this causes some kind of chemical reaction, but I've taken both, not in the same thing before, and works quite well, so let's enjoy my disgusting thing. Okay, disclaimer, when I'm doing this, this is for sickness, not for some gay-ass TikTok challenge, okay? Please, don't do this on TikTok. Don't do this. This is not a challenge. I repeat, not a challenge. No, not a challenge. This is medicine. Fucking Christ, idiots. Like, we don't want another NyQuil chicken thing happening. This is completely unrelated. Alright, let's fucking do this disgusting ass shit. Honestly, I think I'd rather have NyQuil chicken than that. Oh, that tastes like death, but once you get the cough syrup down in your system, and your gag reflex stops kicking in, the Luden's calms it down. Keeps it from going up completely. If you get NyQuil as well, mix it with there, and you can turn it into a little cocktail that works. Although, keep a cup nearby or be in the toilet while you're doing it, because while you're doing that, it's gonna taste like death. Okay, I'm just saying. But the good thing is, I'm gonna take a deep breath in and out, and feel no fucking pain, at least for a few hours. soon as the NyQuil kicks in. Feel a bit drunk too. But as I was saying, this isn't a challenge. We don't want another NyQuil chicken, but this is a tutorial coming from your boy, who's really sick and feverish right now, and probably a little crazy. Okay, so I'm sick of this camera flash in my face. Peace.